So I have these squares for the back of the hat, and then I made these squares for the front of the hat. I also have a couple of triangles for the ears. So I'm going to put these together to match the cardigan that I made for a different Granny Janny project. So it's like a 2-in-1. So I'm still working on clearing out my stash, and I had this dark red yarn that I just wasn't using very often, so I paired it with this light gray, and I really like the way the colors came out. It turned out pretty good, at least in my opinion. I do have a goal of getting through quite a bit of my stash yarn this year. I will talk about that more in another video, but after I made this hat, I realized that I really liked it, and unfortunately I didn't have enough of the red color left to make another one, because someone that I know really liked it as well and wanted the same hat. So now there's the question, do I give it away and be a nice person, or do I keep it for myself? Anyway, let's finish making this hat. that's pretty much this hat in a nutshell. I also did a cardigan that has a matching pattern on the back. If you would like to see that one, I will leave the link in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button below, and I really appreciate you stopping by. Bye.